Hey everyone, what's going on? Let's talk about what's happening this week in personal money management. So let's start with budget challenge. So we have a couple things happening. So we have a credit card bill that we need to go back and take care of. We want to look very closely at your cash flow worksheet if you can pay this off in full or not. You do have a trophy sitting out there, credit card management, that you possibly could earn. So again, they're going to give you the 1,000 points if you can pay off the second credit card statement in full. So please take a look at your credit card, see where you're at. Right now, if you're looking at mine, I have a balance of 606.57. This will be due on the 24th of the month. So again, please look and see if you can pay this off. Again, at this point, I am not gaining points because of my credit utilization. I'm at the null, but again, I've got to be careful about this. In a few days, I could be where I'm losing points. So once I reach that 750 point in my balance, I'm going to start losing points. So hopefully some of you have acted upon this, and if you lowered your balance, you made an interim payment on this. But please take a look at this very carefully. Also, you should be going back and you should be closing out everything. So on Wednesday, we have reconciliation 3 that's due. So you want to go back to your bank, take a look at your past activity down here, and then you want to make sure you're updating your cash flow worksheet. So again, when it comes time on Wednesday, all you have to do is do a PDF of this page, do a file, print, and then you want to print to a PDF. Okay, then upload that PDF, or you can go back and do a screenshot of your account activity down here. I'm looking at your balance to make sure it matches up with your cash flow worksheet. So that's happening with that. And then finally with budget challenge, we do have a quiz. Content 5 is what's happening here. So for Friday, when you go back and you look at your final update on this, again, it's building credit. I do ask you guys to take a look at the there's a video out there in the must-watch videos. It's building credit. So take a couple minutes to take a look at that. That will help better explain a few things for you. And now moving on to our other sim, our virtual business. So hopefully at this point you've gotten into the sim. You went through the pre-test for the reading and math. You sort of put on the table what you have, what you know about this stuff. You've looked at the tutorial, and now we're working for the time management and health lesson. So you should be working on that now. Again, when you're doing the individual lessons, okay, open up the reading tab. Make sure you have that open, and then go back and open up the reading quiz. Just to point out to you, again, the content will be there. At the very bottom, typically you're going to have some math examples. This could be helpful when you do the math quiz. Okay, so you must benchmark with a 70 on both of those to get to the lesson. Once you're inside the lesson, again, you have multiple steps along the way. You have to benchmark at 85, or you've got to go back and redo. So whatever score you get on the lesson, that's what I record in Schoology. So if you get 100%, you get a 10 out of 10. If you get a 95, you get a 9.5. If you get a 92, you get a 9.2, and so forth. You reserve the right to go back and redo this. At the end of the week, gang, you need to be back through time management, finding a job, and budgeting and saving. So that's going to be the goal here for this. Now, to give you a little bit more insight here, what's happening with budget challenge for the week here. Again, objectives and goals. So for the first one here, really your sim goal is to run the sim until August 1st without becoming sick, losing your job, or passing away. And that has to do with eating healthy, proper sleep schedule, getting to work. And again, that typically is going to be the biggest thing you've got to go back and try to manage and make sure you're doing fine on. And the second one, finding a job. We talk about looking at different job openings. We want to make sure we have that understanding of how, by gaining experience, we can get better jobs. So really the goal here is to become an IT supervisor working the weekdays, 8 to 4, with health benefits. So again, we want to start talking about benefits. Again, a lot of things here in this lesson we've already talked about with deductions. I don't think you have too much trouble, but again, you simply have to go back and apply and have a couple of jobs, and you'll eventually want to become an IT supervisor. For lesson number 3, this budgeting and saving, again, we want to build our emergency fund. So we have a goal of $1,000 fund that we've got to build, and you've got to pay all your bills on time and remaining on budget. So really, this is sort of easy compared to what we're doing in Budget Challenge. So I don't think you're going to have a hard time on this. But again, that is our goal for this sim. But that wraps up the week here in personal money management. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.